Welcome to Baloon Kids TV.
Hello my kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about school vocabulary.
Desk, desk, desk. This is a desk. This is a desk. Chair, chair, chair. This is a chair. This is a chair. Bench, bench, bench. This is a bench. This is a bench. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan, ceiling fan. This is a ceiling fan. This is a ceiling fan. Air conditioner, air conditioner, air conditioner. This is an air conditioner. Locker, locker, locker. This is a locker. This is a locker. Lock, lock, lock. This is a lock. This is a lock. Plug, plug, plug. This is a plug. This is a plug. Key, key, key. This is a key. This is a key. Switch, switch, switch. This is a switch. This is a switch.
Congratulations my kids! Now let's review the vocabulary again.
Desk, desk, desk. Chair, chair, chair. Bench, bench, bench. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Air conditioner, air conditioner, air conditioner. Locker, locker, locker. Lock, lock, lock. Plug, plug, plug. Key, key, key. Switch, switch, switch. Thanks for watching.